When's the last time you did a checkup on your beneficiary designations? Typically, the answer is, what the hell is that? I've never done it. Here's why it's important. Many times, people create beneficiary designations when they're young, and then they never go back and check on them as the years progress. Just had a call this morning from a family who was very upset, and that mom and dad had bought reciprocal life insurance policies 40 years ago when the kids were young, and named each other as the beneficiary. Well, what's wrong with that? Nothing at the moment that they did it. But here's what happened. Dad died about 10 years ago. Mom sent the death certificate for dad over to the life insurance company, collected the proceeds. Everything went on as planned. What happened was that no one went back to double check mom's beneficiary designations, and mom passed away a few weeks ago. The children called the life insurance company and said, hey, we have mom's death certificate and we need to get the life insurance proceeds. And they said, looking at our records, it looks like dad is the beneficiary, so he'll need to call us. And they said, well, dad's been dead for years. And they said, I'm so sorry. Dad is the only listed beneficiary, so now we need to make the check payable to the estate of mom, which means it has to go through probate, which means it's now subject to creditor claims, attorney's fees, court costs, filing fees, publication fees, bond, paralegal fees. Oh, and it's going to take 6 to 12 months before you can get your inheritance. That is a terrible result. It should have never happened. The life insurance company should have been smart enough when mom was getting dad's distribution from his life insurance to say, oh, by the way, Mrs. Smith, we really need to put a new beneficiary on your life insurance because your now deceased husband is your only beneficiary. But no one ever does that because they're lazy. And so the family didn't find out that now everything's got to go to probate and be subjected to mom's substantial creditor claims. So the short of it is they may not be getting any inheritance because everything's going to go to pay the creditors when it really should have gone directly to them. But no one did a beneficiary designation checkup. So call all of your companies that you have beneficiaries at, get something in writing that says who the current beneficiaries are, and if that's not right, fix it while you're still alive before it's too late. And then your kids have to come and pay me a bunch of money to hopefully get some of their inheritance when they should have gotten all of it. Have a great day.